morning, friends, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, have a good whatever you're having. Today, I have a very special video for you that's not very special, but it'll probably come like once a month because you know what? These little pink packages only come once a month. So let's open it up and see what's in it. So, ooh, there's a bag as usual. This is actually a really cute bag and this totally matches my blue aesthetic, so nice choosing, Ipsy. Good job. Let's see, we got 2 sheet masks from the brand. Don't know how to say that, but we're just gonna go for it. So sorry, Callie E if I messed that up, but you know what? I love sheet masks. I'm always using sheet masks, and these say caffeine rush. So is it like caffeine goes into your skin? Because I already have enough caffeine. I don't know if I need more of it. But you know, these are exciting. And there's not one, but there's 2 of them. So even more excitement. Now let's get into the bag. Ooh, there's a brush. That's exciting. I actually always get brushes because my preferences are set or whatever. So I pretty much only get brushes. But I'm totally fine with that because I'm way too lazy to actually clean my makeup brushes, but it's fine. So this makeup brush is an eyeshadow brush by the brand, once again, I'm sorry if I mess this up, IBY Beauty. Maybe you don't say the letters like that, maybe it's Ibby, but you know what? It's a good brush, so thank you, brand that I can't pronounce. The next thing is banana setting powder. That's exciting. This is by, oh my gosh, what's with these brand names? I cannot pronounce these names. Podre Fixiante Banana. That's what this is, but that sounds like a fancy name, so I bet this is a good powder. Then the next thing is the Balm Nude Eyeshadow. I actually love eyeshadow. Yeah. Is that true? I actually love eyeshadow. So, ooh, it's a deep warm toned eyeshadow. I love this color and I normally do wear warm toned colored eyeshadows. So this is very nice, so thank you. I don't know why I'm saying thank you since I kind of paid for it, but whatever. And then the final thing I got is this. Oh, I can pronounce this. Uh-oh, it was open. Hopefully that didn't leak. Gotta screw that back on real quick. The brand Wander Beauty, and it is a lotion illuminizer thingy. So, hydrating lotion. Ooh, with champagne gold finish. That can make me feel all fancy. I mean, I already feel kind of fancy because I'm wearing this coat which I got, which was on clearance, and it is like 91 degrees out and I am sweating, so I don't know why I'm wearing this coat. It just kind of looks better for the aesthetics of the video. Oh, and there's the card, July 2018. So that was a shorter video than usual, but I just kind of wanted to show you what I got in my Ipsy bag because I love watching Ipsy and Birchbox and other box unboxings, so I thought you guys might want to see mine, and because why not? So leave in the comments down below what you got in your Ipsy bag or what you liked from other people's Ipsy bags that you didn't get. So leave a comment and go like, thumbs up, subscribe, do whatever you need to do, and I will see you in my next video very soon, friends. Have a great day.